Online dog training. Does it really work? Well, I'll tell you, it works when you remove all the BS, all the smoke and the mirrors and the unnecessary information, and you just focus on fundamental, no-nonsense dog training that makes sense to both the handler and, more importantly, to the dog. But don't take my word for it. This whole YouTube channel is a shrine to our training system. It was literally started as a portfolio of our training. We had no intention of amassing followers or having like a real YouTube channel. It was actually just a portfolio of our training, what we believe, how we train, and more importantly, the results that we get. So we actually have students of our online training platform. And again, after I'm done talking to you guys, because you know I'm all about posting the results, I'm gonna post videos of people that are actually taking our online course all around the world. In this very video here, I'm gonna attach it all at the end so you guys can see some of the work done by some of our current members. And look, online training's blown up in the industry over the last couple of years. Like I said, I myself started our online training platform August 2021, and it's been doing very well. Now, I'm not saying I have the only good online training platform out there. I'm certainly not saying that. Sure, there are other trainers that have fantastic online training platforms, but here's the problem. They're not telling you everything. They're holding it back. I've seen guys that I know for a fact they train all their dogs with e-collars. They're selling positive only dog training where the dog's training, you know, for just food and his ball and so on and so forth. Here's the thing. You got to do what you got to do to get your money. Right? I get it, especially, you know, you're living in one of these Western European nations where basically all forms of training except cookie training has been outlawed. People want to pretend that that actually works, and these trainers are obligated to kind of go along with that if they want to make a living. I totally get that. Here at Shield Canine, right, I don't lie to you whether you're in Sweden or you're in Kazakhstan. For me, it's all the same. You're getting the same training. What you choose to do with that knowledge, completely up to you. Here's the other thing. A lot of people are only showing work with border collies, with Malinois, with high drive working performance bred dogs, which high levels of motivation to work for the reward. A lot of people do not have those dogs. I wanted to create a system that would work for every dog, not just the high drive working breeds. I wanted training that's easy for people to use and that actually makes sense, fundamental, no nonsense training, right? So we have something for everybody. Off-leash obedience, puppy training, reactive behaviors, competition training, protection training. Check us out, shieldcanine.ca. Again, watch these videos I'm about to post of online members. See y'all soon.